So we're in Georgia, and they've been having terrible weather all around the United States. Really all around us. But of course our travel day, we hit this rain, and really weird here in Georgia when it starts to rain, everybody started pulling over. Or you drive with your emergency blinkers on because the rain's pretty bad. This is good visibility from what we just went through, but anyways, we're going to Shawnee Campground, and we're gonna go see my nephew Michael and his fiancee Risha. So we have about a 4-hour drive today, and we had a lot of pollen on our RV from the last place, but I think it'll be washed off by the time we get to our next place. Anyways, just wanted to say hi, and this is what we're doing today.